Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Connections and tap on Bluetooth. Click on the switcher and wait for available devices to show up. Now click on the one that you want to connect to and wait. Choose OK and wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. If you want to forget this connection, click on the gear icon over here and choose Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!